Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the Journey to Become Wealthy. Today is Monday, another wonderful day in the market. Hopefully, you guys were able to make some money. I know I was, but before we get into it, I got quite a few updates for you. Make sure you like, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so that you get notified when I make videos. So happy Monday, everybody. Happy Monday. Today, we know the markets came down, however, they were flat. But we got a lot of economic news going on around the world. Some crazy stuff. I heard some stuff that I couldn't believe when I heard it, right? So let's talk about it. California. Californians are issuing a $23 million Californians to get up to $1,050 in inflation relief checks. 23 million Californians to get up to $1,050 in inflation relief checks. Y'all, you guys, everybody, we are in an inflation. Prices are going up because there is too much money in circulation. So what does California decide to do? Let's put more money out there. Constantly increasing inflation. What are we gonna do, guys? That right there, I think is going to. I mean, in my opinion, we cannot beat inflation when you have states or certain individuals going out and going against the grain. Of course, feds are pushing them interest rate hikes. They're doing everything they can to combat inflation. And then you see things like this. California is getting up to $1,150. And I'm not saying that's crazy. It is though. It's for gas. I mean, they're saying they can give $350 per person and $350 per child, up to 2 kids. So again, for a 4-person household, $350 mom, $350 dad, $352 kids. $325. I'm sorry, I don't know if it's $350 or $325. I was looking at this earlier, but that is crazy to me. So it is $350. If you're staying in California, y'all need to tell them stop. Stop, because we can't win at this rate. On top of that, we have more and more crypto news going on. So we got crypto exchange FTX is looking into acquiring RobinHood. So we saw a spike in RobinHood's stock price on today. RobinHood's stock price was, I believe, at $9, and it went up from there. So hey, in my opinion, that's not really good news, because why are they trying to buy RobinHood? Is Robinhood in such a bad situation that FTX can't buy them? Are they that affordable? Is Robinhood struggling like many of these other hedge funds? Also, check this out. One of the most prominent crypto hedge funds just defaulted on a $670 million loan. Digital asset brokerage Voyager Digital issued a notice on Monday morning stated that the fund failed to repay a loan of $350 million in the U.S. dollar-pegged stablecoin USDC and another $15,250 Bitcoin, worth about $323 million at today's price. So you guys, when the hedge funds and the crypto hedge funds and all of those start failing, you know they're bad. They're bad. When these guys get out, they decide to start filing bankruptcy. It really makes you wonder, right? So we just had last week we had a great week in the market, all green. And today the market's not even bad enough for us to feel like we lost anything. Let's take a look at that. So we got the Dow down 0.20, S&P 500 down 0.30, NASDAQ down 0.72, Russell up 0.34, and the VIX down 1.03%. So the VIX still came down, telling me that the fear and greed index is still going back towards the neutral or greed side. And the 3 major indexes are down, but they're flat. They're not even down to 4% yet, meaning we didn't even lose the gains from Friday. So this is still a bullish market technically. Technically, we hit a point of resistance maybe, and we came down a little bit. But if we continue in a bullish manner, we could potentially push through that, or we continue down. But you don't know, right? Right now in this market, things are trading crazy, and any piece of bad news or good news could potentially push us up or down. But what's going on? Why is cryptocurrency? I mean, it was up the other day, right? We take a look at it today, we're seeing it down. We see Bitcoin back down to 20,000. We see Ethereum back under 1,200. And I told you guys, hey, these may be great buying opportunities, but it could still potentially go down. I told you I see Bitcoin, if it continues to come down, it could potentially hit $14,000 to $15,000. And of course, that is a wide range, but I do believe that it could get down there with the current market. And there are a lot of people who believe that we haven't even seen the bottom in the stock market. I myself, looking at the previous ones, they usually see 3 bottoms. So far, in my opinion, from what I've looked at, I believe we've hit 2 bottoms. So I do believe that it's possible for us to see a 3rd bottom before things truly go back to a bullish market. But I'll be happy if we continue green from here on forward, because of course that means my portfolio profits, I profit, you guys profit. I want us all to make money, and that's what I'm looking forward to. So that's really what I got. I mean, crypto is going bust for many. Hedge funds are going under. California is out here trying to give out stimulus checks. And we have another Fed meeting on Wednesday. They just talking, of course. They're just speaking to us about some things. Not so much about interest rates, but it's just so much going on in the economy that it can't be good. I myself, I'm still bullish on things. I'm still loving the market. I think the market is still currently bullish. I think it's hit a nice bottom. That doesn't mean it can't go lower, but we have to beware, right? Remember I told you guys last week, the wealthy word was recharge. I want you guys to sit back, watch that market, but it turned out to be green the whole 4 days. Hopefully you made some money. This week, we have to continue. Fake out, breakout, or market rally, right? We got to make sure we continue to watch for these things, these different signals that tell us, hey, the market come tumbling down or it could go shooting back to the moon at any moment. And that's what I got as far as that goes. One thing I did forget to give you guys was our wealthy word for this week. Our wealthy word for this week is risk. Risk management. I want you guys to make sure you're practicing good risk management in this market, because you never know how things could go. So our wealthy word is risk. Risk management. Make sure that you're properly balancing out your portfolio. I know we said we'd be heavy in financials, heavy in VTI, and hopefully you guys have not been forgetting to add money to your portfolio every 2 weeks, and also just remembering to dollar cost average into the plays that you like. VTI, for instance, Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Google. Of course, those are all techs. We have our financials like Goldman Sachs and Morgan Stanley that we liked. We have plenty of things that we listed out at the beginning of this year, and I'll make sure I actually put those back out on Wednesday, because I don't have them up and ready right now, but I'll put them back out on Wednesday so you guys can take a look at them. I'm actually beating the market out currently. However, my stocks are down. I'm beating the market currently. So like the market is down 20%, I'm only down 10. Market's down, 70% on some mini stocks, I'm only down 20, because I continue to dollar cost average through this thing. And when things do rebound, I expect to see some major returns. Maybe not this year, maybe not the beginning of next year, but hopefully within the next 5 years, I'm looking to see some major gains, and hopefully I get to celebrate that with you all. And that I'm doing that by practicing proper risk management, making good, safe trades, and just continually get in here and make money as much as possible every day, at least $100 a day by trading some stocks. Tomorrow, I think I'm going to try and do a technical thing and make sure I get a stock pick out trade for you guys. But until then, I thank you for joining the Journey to Become Wealthy. Hopefully you enjoyed tonight's video, and I'll see you guys later.